In this video, we are going to be analysing Pixy, seeing a bit of talk around it today, and that's probably just because it's up 21%. Again, not something I'm ever going to personally trade. Reason for that is, you can just see this is a 1 minute chart. The volume is rubbish, and so it would not be something I would ever look to touch. But if it's something you're interested in, we still want to be covering it. So that's what we are looking at. Again, volume's low. Just note, if you haven't already seen that, if you're trading maybe on a longer term time frame, do be paying attention to that. Volume is low. There is a lot of barcode-ness kind of in that stock, so it would be, you're taking on risk instantly as soon as you see that, because it probably means, and if we put it up actually, we can see probably the spreads are going to be, I would imagine, quite wide on this kind of stock. And as we can see, if you're, it looks a bit weird as it is, but it does seem to be around an 8-cent spread as of right now. So again, do be cautious if you're trading it, because those spreads are going to be deadly. But anyway, what are key levels we're paying attention to? So if you're holding it long, we have targets at $22.70 and $34. These are going to be those key zones of resistance. If you're holding it long, I wouldn't really be looking to hold it past here. But if you're not holding any position, you may be looking for the short bias trade on it. Then at $23, this is where we return more short bias. And again, maybe look to short it. Again, not something I'm going to personally trade. I just want to put that out there. Under no circumstances, don't really care what news comes out on it. I'm not touching this stock. Just because seeing how low the volume is in normal conditions, if you're trading through the news and maybe you're holding a bit after the news comes out, you don't want to be trapped in something which has no liquidity. But though, if we break that and we do continue higher, $43, $63, $72, $83, $111 and $150 is going to be all our targets to the upside. Now, the reason these targets are so wide is because obviously we can see going back about 8 months or so, we were sitting at $203. We went down to a low of $9. There is concern there. There is a reason it's done that. Always be cautious. Again, you're going to get people, and I imagine the majority of people that are trading this are kind of more of the hodl strategy. Just buy it, hope it goes up. And otherwise they're going to be bag holders which are maybe averaging down at these lows. But again, I would always be concerned whenever you see a chart like this. You may see a similar looking chart on, say, even things like the big caps like Meta and stuff, but again, at least they have kind of more strong and fundamental things. And again, it's not moving at that kind of percentage. It's not gone from $203 down to $9. They're down maybe 50% at the max. Actually, I think Facebook Meta is down more than that, but the most blue chips, even 50%, it's on the higher end. This is down way more than 50%, and just to quickly see what is it down, we can see it went down 96%. There's a reason for that. Again, always be concerned, always be risk managed, especially on a stock that can lose that much value. You may be thinking it's already down 96%. What can happen now? Okay, you're buying it at $50. Again, it can easily lose another 90%. It's nothing compared to what it's already done. So again, always be cautious, but I just want to note that. Now, if we do continue down, you want some supports. We're looking at 321, and really that's the only support we have, because if we go any lower, the levels turn negative, and obviously we cannot trade into the negative. And the reason they gone negative is, again, it's just been such a harsh sell-off over the past year. So again, it's not something I'd be looking to buy. Especially as it falls, because again, you're just buying a falling knife. So unless you're happy to lose all that money, it's just a risky game to play. If I was looking to trade it, which again I'm personally not, what I would be watching for is kind of a break or either a short into one of these levels. So $23, look for the initial short, or if we can break the $23, come back to retest as a support and it holds, then I may be looking for a move to $33. But again, be cautious on this kind of stock. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.